Let's start with another mathematics board which says maths is all about finding patterns. So let the students find them. Let's see. Let's first ask your students what they want to be in their life. They may answer either doctor, engineer, pilot, etc., but rarely a mathematician. So today our quest is to find the inner mathematician in students. So today's topic is who is gonna be the mathematician, and the topic is the compound interest. So the main objectives of this lesson is to make them understand the annual and semi-annual compound interest. And the things they should know beforehand will be the basic formula of compound interest and its uses. So by saying the formula, I mean to say that they must understand what the formula is all about and how to put the values to get the compound amount. So let's first let the students do the following problem. Let's say a principal amount of 1000 rupees is to be compounded at the rate of 10% for 2 years. So we do have different options, like for example, if we are doing it annually, so the value of n will be 1 here, and we calculate as follows to find the result to be 1210 rupees after 2 years. Similarly, if the amount is compounding semi-annually, then in place of n we can write n equals 2. Then the amount will be 1215.506. As you can see that this amount is greater than this amount. Let's again do for a condition where the amount is compounded monthly. So for monthly status, the n will be taken as 12 because there are 12 months in a year. Hence, the amount thus calculated will be 1220. As you can see, this is greater than this amount, and this amount is greater than this amount. So what we can see is when the time of compounding decreases, that means it decreases from annual to semi-annual to monthly, the compound amount goes on increasing. So let the students find this pattern, and the main question of today is who can find the maximum interest or maximum amount, maybe on a daily basis or hourly basis, or is there any option? So first let the students brainstorm to find the maximum amount. If they have already found a pattern, they will try to plug in the value of n for different values, like let's say on a daily basis or on an hourly basis, or even smaller than that. But as a teacher, we already know that the maximum amount will be given by this relation, and by plugging in the value we'll get this result. So students getting the nearest result to this will be declared as a young mathematician. And do you know the reason why? Because the number E, or the Euler number itself, was discovered by the same problem of compound amount. So the maximum amount is that amount which can be got when the principal is compounded continuously. That means in infinitesimally small segments of time, the amount is being increased. So let's give the students a chance to find the patterns rather than memorizing formula, because they can easily get the formula if they have that inclination of walking towards it. So in this video, they will know that how the business works and how they can earn more interest if the same amount is to be compounded in smaller segments of time rather than a big segment of time.